What is up, Midway Mayhem fans? This is Dan, and we are checking back in from SeaWorld Orlando, of course, to do a general update and to check in on Infinity Falls. And in order to do so, we need to go over to the storage lot. So let's head over there now. We have arrived at the storage lot, and there's a bunch of new pieces and parts in here, like the one that's right here front and center, and a couple more supports as well. We have some things over there in the back, and then there's this. So check out that thing. We're gonna walk a little closer, get a better view. From a different angle, we can see right here some supports on this truck. So does that mean vertical construction is about to start? We shall see. And then look at all this, guys. More new supports just everywhere. This right here looks like something that will help move rafts along or even turn them at some point. Absolutely gorgeous weather right now in Orlando. High of 72 and not a cloud in the sky. Per usual, no wait to get in through security or the main entrance, and we're on our way inside the park. So this is a little bit different. We have pin trading. Yes, so we finally have some pin trading here at SeaWorld. If you remember, there used to be some rocks that people would hide and stuff like that. Well, that is not allowed anymore, but you can do pin trading. And good news, we got a whole bunch of them over here. One of the neater things that I've seen over here, we have a pen trading starter set with a couple different pens, a lanyard, and a little holder for your season pass. And there's a whole selection of lanyards also. Alright, that's pretty cool. So we have the pizza here with Shamu whale tails. We have one for the year, Seven Seas Food Festival, and of course the Pen Trading SeaWorld, established 2018. You may be wondering what the prices are. Well, we see right here the penguin This one is $7.99, not bad. Lanyards, as I can see, $9.99. And then this one over here, let's say the shark, well, that one's gonna be $11.99 for that one, so they do vary in price. Work continues for Shamu's Emporium, and we can now see some masonry coming over the top of the walls. The temp stand for the Emporium is still here, and we can see pin trading also sold here. Dolphin nursery and buoys, what does that equal? A fun time.
Why do I have two dolphins? You stay right here. You. Stay here. You. No. Thank you. This is yours. She's one of our adult females here. She's getting a couple of different things. This brown stuff that I'm feeding her is a thing called fish gel. It's made out of fish and gelatin. Let's go. Oh, Tinker came back. Hi, Tinker.
Just a reminder, the Seven Seas Food Festival is still going on for the weekends through April 15th. So if you want some good eats and concerts, make sure to check it out. Hello, old friend. Let's see if you're open today. And indeed you are. So it looks like we're going to be able to get an Infinity Falls update from the air. And there she is, indeed running. Alright, so here is our aerial view of everything going on with Infinity Falls, and we can see right here, for what we believe is going to be the main tower segment, a bunch of new brickwork. We can see the trough right there, and there's a lot of concrete around the area. And one other thing to notice, I do see water on right over there, so good news, pumps are working.
To celebrate, connect with these known fine dining experiences. Shark's Underwater Grill.
All the booths set up again for Seven Seas Food Festival. You can even catch some live music over here while you're waiting for the main concerts to start. I can see a vehicle behind this fence, and it looks like a lot of work is going on. We'll check up on it a little bit later. something really important must be going on behind this wall because they've added an extension. First time I've seen a park ever do that. We said there was some stuff going on inside the retention pond, and indeed there is. Well, right over here, crews have been digging out an area, and there's some new rebar, possibly for a footing, or possibly for a run out for the water if they have to do like emergency stops. We'll see. Good old Mako, and of course I would love to take a ride, but unfortunately, per doctor's orders, yes, that's right, I have a little bit of a medical issue going on right now. I cannot ride rides, and I haven't ridden any rides in about 3 weeks. I have a little bit longer to go, but I can't wait to get back to you, Mako. Kraken Unleashed. Well, let's see if you are still leashed without your VR. Well guys, that is going to do it for another update here from SeaWorld Orlando, and I am pleased to say a lot of new parts have arrived for Infinity Falls, a bunch of new supports, and of course some accompanying pieces that are really important and vital to the whole project. Well, Kraken Unleashed still is leashed, and the rest of the park is looking good. Of course, Sky Tower was open. We got Manta doing a flyby. And of course, we're going to be doing some other coverage of things from this park. So if you like what we do, follow us on Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, and Twitter at Midway Mayhem. And I will see you out on the Midway.